Hello, hello, hello. So, back in the kitchen. So, this is another menagerie kind of haul today. So, got a lot of my first aid items in, and some of these are for the dogs as well as for the adults. So, I got 4 of the anti-itch analgesic cream. This is basically generic Benadryl, and I will put this in the dog's preps as well as ours. And I have a video on dog preps, and I'm gonna do another one on inexpensive preps for your pets. And got a bottle of ibuprofen, got a bottle of Advil, and it came with some Advil PM. I got a generic version of antibiotic cream and Bactricin antibiotic ointment. I also have these in the dog preps. I ordered another package of 4 of those. I got, as you all know, I'm a allergy head. I'm a snotty little kid today too. Been sneezing. So I got some allergy eyes. I got a 3-pack of clear eyes. I will also put a thing of that with the dog preps. They had these Welly waterproof Band-Aids on sale, and I got it because I actually like the cases they come in. I got some Pepto pills and some Pepto liquid. I got some mints. Those are actually really good for heartburn, so peppermints are a good thing to keep on your shelf to help with heartburn. And I got some Stitch Witchery to repair hems, or in my case, I just bought my husband some new navy blue slacks for out at the base, and he pulled the tag off and made a little rip. I could, well, you know. So I'm going to put this behind it and keep it from getting worse. I got a medicine holder for AM, PM, just because I'm really bad about taking medicines, and we're all taking the supplements and stuff now, and I have one I need to take day and night, and I seem to miss a dose here and there, and that's probably not a good thing. And then they have sales on pajamas and stuff right now. They're into season sales, and that's just normal for me is when I shop. And they had these mucklucks, which I really like their boots. I didn't know that they made pajamas, and if you go in store, they had some of these for $1. I paid $7 for mine, but I found some for $1, and you won't know they're $1 until you're at the checkout. So some things will say, you know, their sale price of $7, but when you're checking out, it will ring up as $1. So keep that in mind. You can get some really good deals. So they have Muckluck pajamas on sale at Walmart. And then I got these flannel set. It's a 3-piece set. It has a headband, a shirt, and the bottoms. So I got those. Think about what you wear a lot during certain times of the year, what have you, and into season, buy those on sale. And then I got another can of whole egg for cooking. I got some almond flour for my husband. We'll see if we can come up with a fried chicken recipe. I got some pumpkin seeds again for his granola. And then, okay, this ginormous bag of sunflower seeds also for his granola. And then I'm not going to try and lift these, so I will take you over. Terrible camera work, I know, I'm sorry. I got a gallon jug of 5% acidity apple cider vinegar and 2 gallons of 5% acidity white vinegar. If you're a canner, think about your canning for next year, and have some things prepped up for that. I feel a sneeze coming on. And then I have one more thing. I bought these Bleach Tablets. These have a shelf life. You just add them to water and it makes your bleach. If you're storing bleach by the jug that is not shelf stable, it will turn to water after about, well, it doesn't take very long. I've had it happen in like 6 months just for my regular bleach. So get the tabs, and these will stay on the shelf, or get some bags of pool shock. And I have a bunch of those in my shed from when I had a pool. So get those for cleaning your laundry, all kinds of stuff. They have some that have the scented. You can get those, but these will stay shelf stable. Get the just strictly bleach ones, and you can also use those to, sanitize your water. You'll still want to boil water if you have to, but you can use that. And then I have a small Berkey and a 0 water filter. So, and the same with the pool shock. You can put some of that in your rain barrels, what have you. So I think these are amazing. I buy them whenever I see them, and I would highly recommend those if you're wanting to have bleach on your prepping shelves. So I wanted to do this really fast because I'm going to start some canning projects so I can get my canning videos up and get that out of the way. I've got some jalapenos I need to take care of. I'm going to do some cowgirl candy. I have a ton of cayenne peppers. I need to start making some hot sauce. I need to do my french fries. So I got a lot of canning to do, and a couple of others, some Rebel canning recipes. So if you are a by the book canner, don't watch the Rebel canning recipes. So I'm going to go blow my nose and sneeze about 10 times and then put all this away. So I hope this helps you think of things you can put on your shelf. And don't forget about your pets. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.